Okay, so this was a vision given to a saint, Mary of Agreda. Nung natalo ang mga demonyo, nung si Jesus ay pinako sa krus, okay, the demons gathered together and planned how to destroy families. At ito ang narinig ni Venerable Agreda. Demons assigned themselves to different tactics. Some charged themselves with perverting the inclinations of children at their conception and birth to attack their sexual identities. So even in the womb, you have already to pray for protection for your unborn child. Others to induce parents to be negligent in the education and instruction of their children, to cause hatred of parents among the children, and to create hatred between husbands and wives. So there are demons that are specializing in these attacks. So always maintain unity as a family. The more united a family is, the more in my experience, sa aking karanasan, when I see a family is very united, I see very little of the devil there. Okay? That means the presence of the devil is minimal in a family that is totally united. Okay? Pero kapag watak-watak, yung isang pamilya ay watak-watak, okay, one goes to mass at a certain time, yung isa hindi na nagsisimba, etc. I see when I go and deal with these families, they have so many demons attached to them that I had to exorcise not only them, but also their homes. And so I always try to maintain unity as a family because that is a sign of the presence of Christ in the family. Kapag united yung isang pamilya, they do things together, the devil nandidiri sa dyan. And he wants to get out when there is always unity in a family. So division is a sign that a community or a family has already been infiltrated. Because the devil, bago siya umatake, he will divide and then conquer. He will isolate, then subjugate. Kaya mga kaso namin mga kabataan na na-possess, usually, if I ask the relationship with their family members, yung mga relatives nila, yung kanilang magulang, they are isolated. May sariling mundo sila. Kaya the devil was able to work on their thinking, their emotions, talagang madali silang inatake ng demonyo. Because there was no spiritual, emotional, relational, psychological support. The devil had isolated them. So the more divided a family, the more one sees the presence of all the vices and all sorts of evil. Talagang pinaglaruan na ang pamilya na iyan. The more dysfunctional, emotionally, psychologically, and spiritually a family is, the more divided it is. The more a family is united in doing things like going to mass, praying the rosary, the more the presence of Christ is there. Because the Lord promised, where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, I will be there. Okay? Kaya nakakalungkot kapag yung ina lamang o yung tatay lang ang nagdadasal. Okay? All the rest are atheists na. Okay? But 2 members of a family praying together, the presence of Christ immediately is there. The more people are praying together, mas patindi ang presensya ng Panginoon doon sa pamilyang iyan. The more members of a family are gathered in prayer, the more powerful the Holy Spirit is. And the more powerful the presence of Christ is. And evil spirits sense that. Okay? Nandidiri sila at ayaw nila yung ganyang paligid kapag nandun sila sa loob ng tahanan na yan. Sabi ni Venerable Fulton Sheen, the diabolic comes from the Greek word to tear apart. The spirit of the diabolical is one that destroys unity, that breaks asunder. That's why the number one tactic now of the devil is to destroy marriage through divorce and all these other. Only God, it's God who joins, and only God can separate, and He will never separate. But He has joined. God doesn't change His mind. God doesn't change His mind. He will give you all the graces to be faithful to your commitment. Because when you enter the vocation of matrimony, automatically that is the way that the Lord has chosen for you and has validated that this is the way that you will become holy. You will never become holy with someone else anymore. So ganun rin, when I became a priest, when I got ordained, I cannot simply say, Lord, parang mahirap na, puro kademonyo yung nangyayari sa akin, di ba? Ang dami mga harassments. I can say, can I take a break? Can I leave the priesthood and, find another life? Hindi pwede yun, di ba? Love always makes a choice. It's not what you feel like. It is always a choice. And it is a choice that is committed to the end. So go as a family to the sacraments, the Mass, pray together. Unity is not simply the absence of conflict, hindi nagpapansinan, but the proper ordering of priority. Okay? That means you are living out the family values, the values of Christ. The family therefore becomes like an army difficult to defeat because of its united front. Be very watchful of this opening to the diabolical, highly charged negative emotions. They attract spirits that come in and they aggravate. Halimbawa, may matinding away sa loob ng isang tahanan. That attracts always evil spirits. That's why after a bad fight, use sacramentals like holy water around the place. Okay, so that whatever spirits have been attracted into the house will be expelled. Or else, kapag may mga pumasok sa inyong tahanan dahil may matinding away kayo, at may pumasok doon mga masamang spirito, your next fight will be even worse. Because ang mga demonyo ay gagatungan nila yung inyong mga hurt feelings, yung inyong mga sugat because of the original fight. So always use the sacramentals so that you always create a sacred atmosphere in your place. Kaya nga most of the haunted houses na I exercise, I always ask, number one question is, how are you as a family? Usually, maraming away. No? Maraming sugat, maraming kapuotan. Remove all dissension and strife from the home. This attracts powerful demons. When there is interpersonal conflict, afterwards, use immediately sacramentals so that the demons do not aggravate the environment, so that the next time you fight will be even worse. The parents use the sacramentals over the children in the house. Right? So remember, holy water is useless on your altar. You have to use it regularly. Okay? Dapat ginagamit nyo yan madalas. Siguro, depending upon your place, no? Once a week or once a month, depending upon what you're experiencing. But use the holy water around the place. Don't leave it in the altar. It's useless there. Okay? Kasi may isang santo na nakita na doon yung isang sagradong bagay, tapos nakita ng santo na the demon simply, medyo umiiwas lang siya ng konti. Okay? So, use the holy water around your home and add a prayer always. Lord, keep my home free from evil and may the Holy Spirit dwell here. Always add a prayer. Because mas mabisa yung mga sacramentals kapag may dasal, may kasamang dasal. Because may kasamang pananalig at pananampalataya sa Diyos yan. Faith, the use of the sacramentals with more faith makes the sacramental more effective.